come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency, come and see. DeFi bully, Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me just bingo. In a crypto, brand new money as I wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe. What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Binkabi. This is DeFi bully. Now today I'm giving you guys a quick update on the Bandit project. They have implemented a little bit of changes in the UI, and Bandit project is pretty much a fairly new daily ROI platform, paying 1% a day and utilizing NFTs. So depending on what NFT you actually get, you can actually earn up to 2% a day on your investment. Now, this is early, so this is your chance to become a big player in this game, a whale of this game, as they say in crypto and DeFi. You could become a whale. Now, before we get into all that, you guys already know the drill. Head over to the YouTube channel, all right? If you're not already subscribed to the YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, like this video, engage the notification bell, and then marry the video after that. We on that push to 3,000 to 5,000 to 10,000 subscribers. So let's get your boy right. Now, the Bandit project, as I was saying, is a fairly new project. Right now the price is at $4.79 at the time of recording this video, which is 8 o'clock Eastern on the 13th of September. I'm getting technical. Let's get to it. All right. Now the planning board section of this platform shows the price, the crew count. That's how many NFTs are actually taken up. Every time it hits another 100, the price of the NFT actually increases by one more Bandit token. Now the price of Bandit token is at $4.75, like I said. So when it hits $500, the price of each NFT will actually be 15. Right now it's at 14 Bandit tokens and so forth. So when it hits 600, it'll be 16 Bandit tokens. All right. Okay, now this is the bank balance, the money that's in the bank right now, circulating supply. Now the crew is pretty much where all your earnings is shown in your NFTs that you actually in charge of or stored. Now there are updates to the site, like I said before. This said C, now it says compound all. Big help, appreciate that. Shout out to the team and the devs. They're doing good. They're innovative in the space and doing their thing. Another thing they implemented or changed to the UI is now you can actually see the BUSD amount right here. So my available and my 1% earned on my 3 NFTs is actually $8.26 BUSD. BUSD is pegged to the US dollar, so that's about the US dollar amount. Now my daily ROI, or what I earned daily so far, is 0.626 Bandit tokens, which is about a half a Bandit token. So I got about $3 right there, and my total lock is 62.591 Bandit tokens, which equals about $297. I'm a compound my earnings. So compounding, what that does for the people that don't know, is it adds your available rewards or the rewards that you actually earned, and it adds it back to the total locked, as you just saw happen right there. Now I'm going to be earning 1% a day off of 305 BUSD. Okay, these are my 3 NFTs right here. You could sell them, change them, do all of those things with it. You could transfer them. I believe you'll be able to sell them when the available NFTs are actually finished, which is approaching, people. So don't fall off, because there's only 3,000 NFTs available, and as you guys can see, there's about, where did we see that a while ago? There's 437 that's taken up already. So right now we got about 2,523, if I did that math properly, remaining. And so, like I said, this is early, and before this was actually here, so that's another update. So you are early. You could become a whale. You could go right here to the page, go to the black market, which is their actual swap, and the swap is Equinox, if I'm saying that properly, and they actually have their own token too. And someone in the Bullpen Millionaires, that's the Telegram group, link down below. But Mr. Aloha in the group actually pointed out that the price is moving similar to Splash token right now. So that's something to look into. As you guys know, that's doing its thing too. But the Bandit project is where it's at. And the bank heist is public, so you can earn more on that as well. To be honest, I'm not really in the bank as yet. I was thinking about jumping in, but I'm gonna give it a little bit of time. Find that floor in this token. Right now, I'm focused in the crew and earning that 1% a day. If you buy NFT that's worth about 500 tokens, I believe that's when you unlock the 2% a day. All right, I have my last video on Bandit token. You can look through my videos. I actually break that down and show the charts and so forth. Or you can look in the white pages available, or the white paper available on this site, to actually see the breakdown of the percentage based on the NFT that you buy. Okay. All right. So if you look over here at the chart is looking very healthy. Looking very, very healthy, people. I'm liking this chart. Is that right now is at 475, like I said, and that's around the floor if you say so, because as I've been looking, this is actually the lowest I've seen it a few times. It doesn't really drop below this mark, or definitely I haven't seen it drop below $4 in a long time, since what's this, early September, end of August. It was actually at 438. I haven't seen it drop under that since well into the August time. So right now we're actually at there's some healthy dumps after these big pumps, and we're right there. So it's still early, people. Around $5 is the floor for this token. So right now it's a good buying price. I was dollar cost averaging, so I will be adding more to it. Now my strategy with this project is just to compound my way up. Because I know in the future, when more people learn about this platform, and especially because it's on a Binance Smart Chain, there's a lot of traffic. I believe this token has the potential to get to around like $50, okay? Especially after this bear market. I would say definitely comfortably around like $30, $40 is very, it's very seeable, if that's a word. I could actually foresee that happening. All right? So quote me on that. Psychic NASA. What do they call it? Philosopher or psychic. I can't think of the word right now. Prophet. Prophet NASA is actually predicting that its price will hit $40 very soon. So go ahead and compound, grow your bag. So once you have 100 tokens or 200 tokens, you know how that go. You begin 1% of that. Jesus Christ. The possibilities are endless, people. Now, stay blessed, stay safe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I just got to say that stuff. You know how it is in this space. It's mad trickery going on. Space Prince is here. You know what I mean? So invest at your own risk. Do your thing. Do your research. Please do your research. Understand what's going on in these platforms. Now, you could join my team. You could join my team. You do need a team to join this. I'm sorry I didn't say that a little earlier. This is who I'm under. So I'll put my buddy address down below, or my boss address down below, so you could be underneath me. Okay. You just come here to the team section of the DApp. You click this, and then you paste my address that I have down below into the boss section, and then you press change. It'll join you to my team, and then I can actually do airdrops and stuff like that, which I look forward to doing once I have more people on my team. An airdrop is a way of me sending tokens to you for just supporting me. NASA Ben Kabi. All right, people. And remember, do the right thing. I'm out.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.